A young boy sat troubled in the forest. Anger, fear, and darkness fought inside him. His grandfather found him there, sat beside him, and told him an ancient truth. Grandson, inside every person, two wolves battle. One wolf is evil. Anger, jealousy, greed, lies, resentment, hate. The other wolf is good. Peace, love, hope, truth, compassion, kindness. These two wolves fight constantly. A fierce battle, neither backing down. The boy looked at his grandfather and asked, "Which wolf wins?" The old man looked at his grandson and simply said, "The one you feed." The boy understood. He had the power. The choice was his. Every day, every moment, every choice. Feed anger, and anger grows. Feed love, and love grows. The battle doesn't end, but you decide who wins. Which wolf are you feeding?